Hi, my name is Mikayla. I am a PhD student in the Biomedical Engineering department at Purdue, and my GradTrack Insider Tip video is on external fellowships. External fellowships can be extremely important for a number of reasons. One being that as you're going through the application process, you're going to be gaining really valuable experience in scientific writing, which will definitely come in handy throughout your graduate school journey. Also, external fellowships, if you are awarded them, they look really good on your resume. And of course, they provide you with financial support, and they should give you some more freedom in the type of work that you're doing throughout graduate school. And the way that I recommend you find external fellowships is through the fellowship office at Purdue. So to do that, you would just Google Purdue Fellowships Office, click on the first link, and there are a couple sources that you can use to search for fellowships listed. And when you go through these, you'll see that there are a lot of options out there for you.